Well, talking about designing new types of food or meals, so there's one company that stands out that I found really interesting when I was doing the research to get ready for this chat, and it's called Analytical Flavor Systems. They're based in New York, and it's an AI-driven, what they call their product is a gastrograph, and they believe that once their model has their gastrograph models a food or drink, that it can then simulate what would happen when you change that food or drink's flavor or introduce it to new demographics. And basically what they're saying is that they can help big food companies with more successful launches of new products. Because I guess the point is, it's estimated that 70 to 90% of all new consumer packaged goods fail when they go to market. And these guys are coming along and saying, well, actually, we can help you through AI modeling. My question is, can AI actually help us with understanding flavor? Can it predict something like flavor that's kind of so dependent on the chemical senses?
That's a great question, and I think to a certain extent, because as soon as you can digitalize information with chemical senses, because any flavor is partially a product of molecular composition as well of different molecules, and sometimes it's tens or hundreds of molecules involved in flavor, and there have been works done in machine learning, including flavor and food pairing to elucidate at molecular level actually what ingredients can be combined together and why from molecular point of view. But the thing is, as we discussed, that flavor is a product also of personal experience, of your body composition, potentially microbiome, and your genes as well, because we perceive food differently, but also environment that where when you eat the food would influence ultimately. But having said that, we also have different countries, and different countries have different cuisines. I mean, for example, when it's Indian food, we call Chinese food, and say Mediterranean food. They all have slightly different, not slightly different, but different flavor systems. And therefore, when you design a new product, for example, for China or for India, you need to take into account the preferences of these people. And from AI point of view, you can once you can simulate the flavor and accurately learn it from the existing data, then potentially you can adapt it that it would be more successful in certain countries, not necessarily targeting individual per se, but the beginning targeting population at large, that it has, say, Chinese flavor versus Indian flavor.